So consequently, I think we are going to head to Magic Kingdom.
We haven't been to the Magic Kingdom in so long, and there are lots of construction things happening, so we needed to go see them.
We need to go see stuff at Magic Kingdom for sure. I believe that this will be the DVC exclusive restaurant, maybe? I'm not really sure, but I do know that this will be a DVC area. I also did notice that this plywood is horribly discolored because it's been out here in the elements for so long.
Is that bad?
It is bad.
What's gonna happen?
Nothing will happen, but it will be wet underneath the tar paper, which is not good.
Ooh, Disney.
Yeah, they need to cover that up real quick.
Ooh, mama, 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 mama.
What?
Remember when you were a kid and you used to be like, ooh, mama, 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 mama?
No, I never did that.
You never did that?
No. I wish I had a telephoto lens, but there is the land that is cleared out for the DVC villas at Wilderness Lodge. There are bats above me right now. Do you guys hear them all over the place in here? Wow, I bet this place is awesome to come to at night and like watch them fly away. I hope you guys can hear that. Jen's hot, so she's using the please wait here for the hostess sign. Do you guys see this like weird white spot on the water? It kind of looks like smoke.
Smoke on the water.
Dun, 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 dun. Fire in the sky. We're like a 1970s sweet music video.
They told me I could bring my beer on here.
Some sort of new structure over here by the bus stop.
Please keep your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the boat until the captain gives you the all clear to go ashore.
Oh, it's been a long time since we've seen this view. It is so perfect. I wish that it wasn't stormy, but it's still nice. Oh, they have a lot more fun dog stuff. Look, it's like Haunted Mansion.
They're like little collars. Should we get one for the bee?
Maybe.
And a little tie.
Oh, and then like you can get them a premium Mickey bar, but it's mediocre because it's got a bite taken out of it. Oh, and they can have a pirate. They can be a pirate. We went into, what is this called? This is called
this is the Emporium.
Emporium, asking for just a cord for the iPhone because we left ours in the car and we have a battery. They said we don't sell cords in the park at all. They said what you can do is you can go across the street and you can get, what do they call it?
We can go across Main Street to Curtain Call Accessories, and they sell a fuel rod. And so it's just like the little charger that everybody has, but it's the Disney version. So when your fuel rod has no more juice left in it, you just exchange it for a new one, a fully charged one.
And so they said it was $30.
Yeah.
But apparently you can exchange it as many times as you want.
Well, of course you can. It's just like, don't you remember the necklaces during Osborne Family Lights? And if they died, you would just exchange it?
Yeah. So I think we might try that to see.
Let's see.
We'll just get one and then try to exchange it like 70 times.
Where is Curtain Call? I've never even heard of Curtain Call Accessories.
I think I don't know where Curtain Call Accessories is. We're gonna find it. Okay, so we found it. The fuel rod thing here is just like a station where you pay $30, you get a fuel rod, free unlimited swapping, and it's rechargeable. Okay, here we go. So we're gonna
buy one, and we just want one.
Just want a $30 one.
It says that you can enter a promo code, so that's kind of cool. We don't have one, but it would be awesome if we did.
Right? Okay, here we go. Next.
This is where it gets real, you guys.
Maybe try it again. Should we? Oh, it did it. Look at that.
I think it's the magnetic.
So wait.
It needs the magnetic.
But we didn't get a cord with it?
Oh, do you not get a cord? Because that's the only thing we need is the cord. Really?
Oh wait, no, it's like a whole kit, I think.
Oh, okay.
Oh yeah, there's a cord in there.
Scared me.
But wait, no, that's just the charging cord. I need the iPhone cord. Is that in there? So we've got it all opened up here.
We got scared because we didn't think we had the right cord, but it actually has an adapter, so you can use it for Android, iPhone 5 or 6, or even the iPhone 4. It has the iPhone 4 cord as well.
Yeah, where's that in your hand? The iPhone 4 cord.
Oh,
it's in my hand.
Yeah.
There it is.
So there it is, and that just pops right on. So
That's cool.
Yeah, there you go. Now we're going to use this one, but we'll save this one just in case.
Yeah, and we'll see how long it lasts.
But it doesn't matter how long it lasts because we'll just return it for a new one.
Right. Here's a beautiful view of the Haunted Mansion. It is under scrim right now because they're doing some external refurbishment to it. They have started adding a color scrim to it. I think that they will continue to add more and more as progress continues. I don't know if this is something that I've showed you guys before, but there are 2 lanterns in the window here as like a tip of the hat to Paul Revere. 1 if I land, 2 if I see. So this was like Paul Revere put 2 lanterns in the window because they were coming by sea. Each one of these buildings has a number over it, so the number represents the year that the style is. So this would be 1726 and 1724 so on. And then also there's this weird doll in the window over here. Oh, you're so weird looking doll. So I know what you guys are thinking. You're thinking, hey Tim, how long is the Haunted Mansion gonna have scrims up around it? I have no idea. Like, I really don't. I do know that Big Thunder Mountain will be going down in October? I'm not really sure. It's either October or December for a lengthy refurbishment to, we think, put in the effects that are at Disneyland's.
So what I'll do is I'll link our Disneyland Big Thunder Mountain ride-through down below, and I'll have a little eye in the corner so that you guys can check that out if you want to see what it might look like when it's done.
It's pretty awesome. I
Yeah.
hope that that's what happens.
I think after we went to Disneyland, I think I said that that was my favorite Big Thunder, and Big Thunder is one of my top rides at Disney World. So Disneyland has the better Big Thunder for sure.
Now we're heading over to Swiss Family's Treehouse, and then we're going to go over to Carousel of Progress and check out that stuff, because Carousel got repainted, and it will be going down soon
Are
for
they
like a
gonna put-
2-day refurbishment. The next bit of scrim that we come across and refurbishment is the Swiss Family Robinson Treehouse.
So is it closed?
It's closed altogether, and you can tell by the front entrance here has scrim all over it. So we can't even get in there. And as with the Haunted Mansion, I have no idea when this is going to open back up. This is actually, we first saw that it was under refurbishment today. So, I mean, it's probably a recent thing. One day we will eat here, I promise.
Yeah!
Oh, they're posing. Let's see if they wave. There she is, yay! Everybody's waving. One person, one more. There she is, yay! Jen's taking a picture of this flower right here. Ooh, look at her, look at this, look at this. Wait, lean back in like you're taking a picture. Oh yeah, look at that. How awesome is this? This is very cinematographic. There is a bug biting the back of my neck right now. All right, you know what flower I want to take a picture of? That one. What the heck is that thing? There's a whole squadron of Disney ducks here.
Would you say that it's a squad of ducks?
This is a duck squad.
Like a duck squad?
Hey guys, check it out. DuckTales. There are multiple DuckTales here. Why are there so many ducks here? How many ducks would you say there are? At least 3?
A whole duck load.
Oh. All I count is ducks, ducks, ducks.
What are they eating?
They're
This is
eating the
like-
bugs.
like-
Oh, look, here he comes. He's like coming out to us.
Oh, snippity snap.
Oh, he's
gosh.
trying to eat your dress.
Oh, no. Don't do it, duck.
What are you doing?
He's
oh,
like, I want to be a part of your gang.
I
Your
want to
human
walk
gang."
like you, talk like you. Ooh.
Oh, no, we scared him.
Oh no, I'm sorry, duck. Uh-oh.
Oh, no.
Oh no, this one's getting in a fight with everybody.
He's like,
You can
"Listen
come over.
here,
You can come
Satan."
over and hang out with us. It's cool. We're best friends now, okay? Look at his. I feel like he got hurt by another duck.
Oh, no, because his little wing is out?
Yeah.
Oh. I hope it's okay. Oh, no.
Yeah, they're all fighting each other.
I didn't think that ducks were this mean.
I wish that there was 2 that hung out together so that they could be a ragtag duo
Ragtag
of ducks. You want to eat my shoe? What is going on here? I feel like I've reached my pinnacle of duckness.
Duckdom?
Duckdom.
Oh, no, what's that?
That's a banana peel.
Oh, okay.
All right, let's go. Carousel of Progress. I feel bad for your wing. I'm sorry. Holy cow, there's a Disney bunny right here. I'm sorry for yelling. There's a Disney bunny right here. There is so much wildlife right now at the Magic Kingdom. Look at him. This is amazing. We went from 35 ducks
I need glasses.
to 1 bunny hanging out. I'll be 100% honest. Like, I liked the vast amount of ducks that we just saw, but I wish there was a vast amount of bunnies, like a whole, what is a group of bunnies called? Like a murder of bunnies?
No, it's a squad.
A squad of bunnies?
Yeah.
Like a rampant of bunnies? This shot of the castle is so pretty. Watch the sun hit Astro Orbiter just right. There. It looks like it's flashing.
It is flashing.
No, that's the sun hitting it.
No, it's got different colors. Blue, red, orange.
What? Are you looking at the same spot as me?
The top?
No, I'm talking about where the big balls are.
Oh, no, I wasn't looking at the big balls.
Carousel of Progress right now actually has a brand new paint job, and it is so bright and beautiful. And I think that the gears are going to go down soon and be replaced because they are not looking as good as the paint job.
It's a dream come true for you and me. There's a great big beautiful tomorrow shining at the end of every day. And tomorrow's just a dream away. Man has a dream, and that's the start.
Humanity finds a reality.
Look at how beautiful the castle is. I'm gonna zoom in on it. Wow, so beautiful.
and enjoy the magic, the music, and the memories of Disney's Main Street Electrical Parade. Along the parade route, and the magic will begin in just 10 minutes. Thank you.
And we are leaving. Well, we're going into the bathroom by the firehouse, and it looks like most of the firehouse is covered by construction walls too. Let's see how it does.
How does that work? Turn it this way. Right?
Yeah, they're gonna give her a recharged one now. And now a new one comes out of there. Wow, that was easy. We're not staying for the Main Street Electrical Parade, but there it is. You guys see the lights out right now? There's Star Wars fireworks. Right there. Oh, this is fun. Unless that's Epcot. Probably Star Wars. 2 boats pass in the night. Oh, fireworks. She's gonna try to shoot right between the two. Cause when it becomes a reality.
I like how you have this little hair in the front too. You're like Clark Kent.
Oh, Clark Gable.
No, Clark Kent with the hair.
Yeah. We're back home now. And it was very, very hot today.
But there were lots of places that we could kind of like duck into and get shade, or in like inside attractions. We rode Carousel of Progress. It was nice and cool. Actually, I was gonna tell you this in the ride. The first room, it's a very deceiving ride because the first room is like super air conditioned, and then when you spin, it gets like hotter and hotter and hotter and hotter until you reach the end and you're on the face of the sun. It is so hot in that last room.
It should like halfway through, it should come back around because you exit the same room that you enter.
Well, it didn't.
Oh.
Science.
Science, of course.
And we also, another thing that made our day so, I guess being so hot didn't make our day special, but I was trying to like, segue into like why our day was so special. We had a really good time, and the cast members were so nice today. Not that they're not always nice, but today
they were like extra nice.
We met some really awesome cast members. We met Marco at Carousel of Progress, and he was also like just super nice. #1 A+, like super awesome cast members.
Yeah. So, with all that being said, I'm super tired now.
Yeah.
So, we're off to bed. Tomorrow begins another adventure. So, we will see you guys tomorrow. And now it's time to pay the price.